Flash flooding along the Kankakee River in Illinois forces some families from their homes. Evacuations happened in Wilmington, that's just south of Joliet. River levels rose about 3 feet between midnight and 1 a.m. An ice jam is causing the flooding. It stretches more than 7 miles and is melting quickly because of the warm weather and rain.
I hope that we're able to recover from this, especially the people with whose homes are affected more than anything.
A couple of days ago, it was really low, calm, no real issues. A lot of ice, but it was solid like it normally is. And then just out of nowhere, the middle started cracking and water started flowing, and here we are. It's raised up pretty high.
People living in the area have been warned more evacuations may be needed.